Welcome to our channel Brightknowledge-Healthy Living, your go-to place for all things health, wellness, and well-being. Whether you're looking for simple tips on healthy eating, fitness advice, or natural remedies, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the best ways to live a happier, healthier life. Remember, small changes can make a big impact, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for weekly updates. Let's start your healthy living journey together. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Brightknowledge-Healthy Living. Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods and exploring one of the most vibrant and nutrient-packed fruits out there, dragon fruit. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion and even helping with glowing skin, dragon fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits you don't want to miss. Stick around to learn why this tropical gem deserves a spot in your daily diet. Let's get started. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya or pitahaya, is a striking tropical fruit known for its vibrant pink or yellow skin and speckled white or red flesh. While its unique appearance makes it visually appealing, its real allure lies in the numerous health benefits it offers. Packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and fiber, dragon fruit has rightfully earned a place among the most sought-after superfoods. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve digestion, or simply maintain overall wellness, dragon fruit is an excellent addition to your diet. Let's dive into some key benefits of consuming dragon fruit. 1. Rich in nutrients. Dragon fruit is a low-calorie fruit packed with essential vitamins and minerals. A typical serving provides vitamin C, boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Iron, supports energy production and improves blood circulation. Magnesium, essential for bone health and muscle function. Calcium, strengthens bones and teeth. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants such as betalains, hydroxycinamates, and flavonoids. These powerful compounds help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are linked to aging and chronic diseases like cancer. Including dragon fruit in your diet can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting long-term health. 3. Supports digestive health. One of the most notable benefits of dragon fruit is its high fiber content, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. The fiber in dragon fruit acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and supporting a healthy microbiome. Improved digestion can also lead to better nutrient absorption, making dragon fruit a perfect companion to your meals. 4. Boosts immune system. Dragon fruit is a fantastic source of vitamin C, a key nutrient for a robust immune system. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C strengthens the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses, from the common cold to more serious diseases. Its antioxidant properties further support immune health by protecting cells from damage. 5. Promotes healthy skin. Thanks to its high vitamin C and antioxidant content, dragon fruit can contribute to healthier, glowing skin. Vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, helping to keep skin firm and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, antioxidants neutralize the harmful effects of UV rays and environmental pollutants, which can cause premature aging. 6. Improves heart health. Dragon fruit contains heart-healthy fatty acids, particularly omega-3 and omega-6, found in the small black seeds inside the fruit. These fatty acids help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, lower the risk of heart disease, and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, the fiber in dragon fruit helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, further benefiting heart health. 7. Aids in weight management. If you are looking to maintain or lose weight, dragon fruit is a great snack option. It's low in calories but high in fiber, meaning it can help keep you feeling full for longer without consuming excessive calories. The high water content of the fruit also helps with hydration, which is essential for metabolism and overall well-being. 8. Hydrating and refreshing. Dragon fruit is made up of about 90% water, making it a refreshing and hydrating fruit, especially during hot days or after a workout. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting brain function, and promoting clear skin. 9. Good for blood sugar control. For those managing blood sugar levels, dragon fruit could be a helpful addition to the diet. Studies suggest that dragon fruit may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial fruit for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. 10. Easy to add to your diet. Not only is dragon fruit nutritious, but it's also versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can enjoy it fresh, blended into smoothies, added to salads, or even used in desserts. Its mildly sweet flavor pairs well with a variety of foods, making it a fun and healthy option for creative recipes. Final thoughts: dragon fruit is more than just a visually stunning fruit, it's a nutrient-dense superfood packed with a wide range of health benefits. From improving digestion to boosting your immune system, this tropical fruit can be a powerful addition to a healthy lifestyle. If you haven't tried dragon fruit yet, now is the perfect time to experience its refreshing taste and countless health perks. Thanks for watching Bright Knowledge Healthy Living. We hope you found today's video helpful and inspiring on your wellness journey. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and health advice. Stay healthy and happy. We'll see you in the next video.